Cardano's 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $288,078,793, which is a rather massive amount. ADA explicitly acquired roughly 1.6 in the most recent 24 hours, and a genuinely huge matter. Cardano's EMA 10 fundamentally shows an especially descending pattern, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the particularly previous week, acquiring 13.82, or so they essentially thought. July 15, 2023. In this article, we will generally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer what basically is genuinely transient cost expectation for Cardano. Sort of is a dawn in every practical sense wise venture, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano support and obstruction levels, and so on, which for the most part is genuinely huge. However, before we get too deep into the ADA specialized investigation, truly let us explicitly discuss the very current economic situations, which generally is genuinely critical. Market examination over the fund. Bitcoin has 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, as they generally thought, which in every practical sense caused Bitcoin's value to rise to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25%, which generally shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano is basically floating at 288,078,793%, as they generally thought. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP specifically, is up by 1.8 and is currently exchanging at 72 cents, so ADA generally acquired roughly 1.6 inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in every way that truly matters huge way. Additionally, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a decay of 0.77 in Steam. Kind of in contrast to prevalent thinking, these events sort of demonstrate that the market basically is going in a kind of descending course for Exceptiona. A really broad and very lamentable drop can be witnessed all across the crypto market, demonstrating how the total exchanging volume essentially continues at $2,944,606,376 in a significant way. Cardano support and obstruction. Support and opposition are critical specialized pointers used to indicate key cost levels when the pattern can take a different course. Demonstrating how, however, prior to plunging all things considered deeply into the ADA specialized examination, we specifically discussed the genuinely current economic situations, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought support explicitly is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more really dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, demonstrating that ADA particularly acquired roughly 1.6 inside the most recent 24-hour. ADA explicitly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.6 in genuinely most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the ADA specialized examination explicitly let us especially discuss the by and large current economic situations in every practical sense. In spite of prevalent thinking, the genuinely current worth of Cardano sort of is drifting at 33 cents with the exchanging volume of $288,078,793 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, which for the most part shows that Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the ADA specialized examination sort of let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations in a fundamentally enormous manner. The truly generally market cap for ADA really is $11,478,146,326 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 13.82 throughout the week, exhibiting how market investigation over the in every practical sense lasts 24 hours. There in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891, which most certainly is very critical. ADA cost Cardano value examination for July 15, 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time period explicitly made sense of beneath, so yet before plunging truly deep into the ADA Specialized investigation basically led us, by and large discussion about the particularly current economic situations in a significant way we utilize kind of relative strength index RSI moving in every practical sense normal combination and uniqueness backing levels blockage levels MACD diverse time span shifting midpoints. Including basic moving quite normal tiny and remarkable moving truly typical EMA to generally evaluate the future development of the Cardano. But before delving deeply into the ADA specialist investigation, let us truly explore the very current economic problems, particularly the ADA United States dollar movie. Genuine normalcy union and distinction the MACD pointer is demonstrating in every practical sense present moment truly sell certainly signal is the MACD line generally is moving underneath extremely signal line which for the most part implies is all things considered bears generally are ruling on the lookout so yet before plunging particularly profound into the ADA specialized examination. Essentially let us explicitly discuss the all things considered current economic circumstances and a truly Signia trade signal is very viable at this level, demonstrating how it expressly drove Bitcoin's value up to 30,311.21 following a vertical development of 0.25, implying that 24-hour exchanging is possible. The CEO of Bybit talks about the future of regulations and market trends. In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's price continues to draw attention. As of Monday, it was trading at $29,723, down nearly 0.5%. Even though the market is always changing. Regulatory views are very important to the future of crypto. Ben Zhou, the CEO of Bybit, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, talks about the regulatory outlook. He stresses that regulators see the crypto business as an opportunity rather than a crisis. As the market goes through changes, learning from industry stars like Ben Zhou can give you important information about the future of Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole. Crypto is seen as an opportunity by regulators. CEO of Bybit Ben Zhou says. Ben Zhou, the CEO of Bybit, recently talked about how regulators see the cryptocurrency industry in different parts of the world. He pointed out a positive change toward collaboration and opportunity. In the past, getting a license caused a lot of stress. Now, officials in Asia and the Middle East are more likely to work with crypto companies than to fight against them. Zhou specifically mentioned Hong Kong's aggressive approach to attracting crypto companies and Dubai's advanced regulatory framework for virtual assets. But because rules are always changing, Bybit has had trouble in some markets, like the US and Canada. If the rules change, Bybit wants to go back